screws.
Yeah. I don't even know if that's what it came with.
I doubt it. It came with something like this.
I got a screw in there.
There we go.
There's probably nothing in there. Get the.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice, clean. In comparison to our old one.
Faded.
Yeah, beat down and nasty. All right. That's perfect.
You can see the difference already.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. Nice. It's so much different now. It just adds a whole different hue. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Hey everybody, this is Saul Castaneda with Greenwheels Automotive in Chicago. And we're at home in Berwyn just putting on this little rear tail light, the spoiler light. As you can see, it's nasty, ugly, disgusting. And we just popped in a new one thanks to LMR's new little kit we have here. New screws. Nothing really out of crazy. We just added this to our 1993 Ford Mustang GT that we call Sergeant Reckless. Just little touch-ups, nothing too big. And stay tuned for the rest of the shows that we're gonna put on this thing right here. We still have a torque arm bar coming in there. We're gonna be installing a gas tank and plus the whole interior as you've seen. So thank you for watching. Keep subscribing. Every YouTube member, every Facebooker, and every IG guy out there following us, thank you very much. We hope to see you guys soon. And let's enjoy the rest of what's left. Now we finish this bad boy up. No scratches. Can't afford that anymore. Look at that, friend.